going to start off by measuring your window frame from top to bottom. This is going to be the height of your shutter. Then you're going to measure the lap siding and make your cut line to those exact measurements. Then you need to cut it. Next, you're going to lay out your lap siding to prepare it for glue. So you're going to use a spray bottle with water and just spray along the entire edge of the groove all the way down. And then you're going to take the glue and run it down that same groove all the way down, and the water is going to activate the glue. Then you're going to put your lap boards together, which is pretty easy. Got it. Then you're going to measure the width of the shutter. This is for your trim piece where your hinges go. And next, you need to cut it. I didn't film this, but you are going to measure from top to bottom where you want your trim pieces to go. For this video, I did 12 inches. And then you're going to spray it like you did before the lap siding and also put the glue on, and then secure it to the boards with your weights. Again, give it 2 hours to dry and 24 hours to fully cure. Next up, paint, baby. For this video, I use a color called potato skin. Fast forward. Next, we're going to pre-drill holes where the decorative hinge goes along the trim piece to help make it easier to secure the shutters to the exterior. I also like to drill the holes behind the hinges where you can't see them. This way you don't have to fill them in later. Like so. And one more. For installation, I like to use the drill hole that is closest to the window at the top. This allows the board to rest along the trim window, and this way you won't have to hold it up while you're doing the other drill holes. It's time to install the hinges and the handle. So I like to measure top and bottom, again, to ensure that the hinge is centered. Poke a little hole so you know where to put the screw in. And continue that step one more time for measuring, just to make sure that it is centered. Personally, for Muwa, I like to have the handle centered on the last lap board away from the window. So I'm going to measure from the top and also the side. Now make your mark and install. And just for good measure, measure.